Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to hide channels in Telegram. So I'll first open up the Telegram app and look for the channel you want to go ahead and hide. Let's say I want to hide this one right here, Instagram. And then I also want to hide this one, tutorial 2. You can find other channels as well you want to hide. And then all you need to do is click on this option right here. This is basically the archive option. This will hide all the channels you don't want to see immediately on your Telegram. So I click on this, it's the archive option. And as you can see, the chats have been archived. They basically disappear. If you want to access them, you just scroll all the way up like this, and then you'll see your archived chats. So I'll click on this. I can see all the chats I have archived. And if I want, I can go ahead and view them, and you can unarchive them as well. Okay, it's really that easy and simple, guys.